Hello students, welcome to our 8th lesson of the Unit 6 of Preparatory 1 Nature Quiz. So our lesson for today is Nature Quiz. Nature Quiz, Unit 6, Lesson 8. Could you please open your course book on page 52? So this is our lesson for today. So you read and choose answers to the questions. Read and choose answers to the questions. And B, compare your answers with partner. So you have to make these notes first. Okay, you have to make these notes first. So you have many questions here, about 6 questions. Each question has 3 different answers. For example, the first one, how many legs has a butterfly got? So you have to guess. If you know the answer, so you have to write the answer correctly. For example, it has 4 legs or 6 legs or 8 legs. Okay, so now we'll move to the first section. Read and choose answers to the questions. Who can start? Who can tell us the answers
I
to the
can.
following question?
Can I be number 2?
Yes, okay. What about, yes, okay. Serene will be number 1, Fatima will be number 2, and Yaqeen will be number 3. Okay. So the first one, yes, Serene.
How many legs has a butterfly got?
Yes. How many legs? Yes, what 4, 6, or 8?
I'm not sure, but I think 6.
Okay, so you have to guess. Yes, okay. So we'll move to the second question. Which animals can run very fast? Yes, what about you, Fatima?
Cheetahs, tigers, monkeys. I think cheetahs.
Okay, so we will see. Okay, what about the third one? Yes, Yaqeen?
Which animals something eat paper? Sometimes eat paper. Goat.
Yes, very good. So we will look whether it's right or wrong. Which animals sometimes eat paper? So snakes, rabbits, or goats. What about the fourth one? Yes, Serene?
I think snakes.
Okay, you can read it. Which animals like
Which
hot?
animals like hot, dry places?
Yes.
I think snakes or tigers.
Okay, so we have snakes, fish, or tigers. So, okay, so you think that it is tigers. Okay, so what about the fifth one, Fatima?
When do plants start growing? I think in spring.
Okay, when do plants start growing? So we have 3 different answers: in spring, in summer, or in autumn. So you said that in spring. So we will see. Okay.
Okay.
So we have the 6th question. Yes, Yaqeen.
When do leaves change color? In autumn.
Yes, you think in autumn. So we have in spring, in summer, and in autumn. So now we will check our answers. Okay, how many legs has a butterfly got? So the right answer is 4. Okay, so it has 4 legs. Okay, which animals can run very fast? What did you say, Fatima? We will check your answer whether it's wrong or right. So no problem.
I said cheetah. I said cheetah.
Very good.
Cheetah.
Yes, very good. What about the third one? Yes, Yaqeen. Which animals sometimes eat paper? Yes, very good. Yes, very good. Goats. Which animals like hot, dry places? Yes, Serene, you said snakes or tigers. So the right answer is snakes. Very good.
Yes.
What about the fifth one, Fatima?
I said in spring.
Yes, we will.
When do
see.
plants
So,
start?
yes, very good. It's right. When do plants start growing? So in spring. Yes. What about you, Yaqeen? The last one.
I said in autumn.
Very good. So when do leaves change color? So in autumn. Yes, very good, Yaqeen. So now we will move to the second section. So we don't have to compare our answers because we answered the questions together. Okay. Which I'm talking about section B. Okay, I'm talking about section B, which is here. Okay, so we don't have to compare our answers with each other. So because we answered all the questions together. Okay, So now complete the chart to describe seasons in Libya. Okay, we have the 4 seasons here. So this is page 48 of the workbook. Okay, so complete the chart to describe the seasons in Libya. So we have the seasons here. We have spring, summer, autumn, and winter. Okay, which months? So you have here which month. So spring in which months, and also autumn in which months. So here we have the summer from June to August, from June to August. So what about autumn and what about the winter? The second one, what is the weather like? So what about the weather in spring? What about the weather in summer? What about the weather in autumn? And what about the weather?
Can I answer?
Yes, sure, Serene. Yes, we will go to the
In
second.
summer, it is hot.
Yes, no, I need all the answers here, Serene. Okay, just a minute. Yes, just a minute.
Which months?
So what you can see, yes, what do you see? What you can see in spring, what you can see in summer, what you can see in autumn, what you can see in winter.
In spring, I can see flowers.
Oh, yes, yes, Serene, yes, you can tell us different answers. So we'll move, sorry, yes, here. So you can tell us different. So look carefully, please. Okay, so here in which months, so the answer is the same. Okay, the answer must be the same. But what's the weather like? So it can be different. For example, I live in Tripoli, you live in Misrata, so maybe the weather is changeable. It's not the same. So here we can write different answers, but here we have to write the same answers. And also, what do you see? It can be different answers. So for example, Serene, your answers may be different from Fatima, and Fatima may be different from also Yaqeen. Okay, so now we will start. Which month, Serene, in spring? So just guess. Can you guess?
From March to May.
Okay, yes. What about autumn?
From September to October.
Yes, very good. Okay, what about the winter?
November, maybe. From November to February.
Yes, very good. What's the weather like? So look carefully, Serene, here. We are talking about Libya. We are talking about Libya. Okay, we are talking about.
Yes, I know.
Yes, what is the weather like? So in spring.
In summer, it's hot.
Yes, okay, hot. Very good. Yes, what about autumn?
In autumn, it is cool.
Very good. What about winter?
It is cold.
Okay, what do you see? So what can you see in spring, summer, autumn, and winter?
And in spring, you can see flowers.
Very good, yes.
In summer, you can see the sun.
Okay, the sun, you can see the sun, very good. What about?
In autumn, you can see leaves falling, and in winter, you can see rain or maybe snow too.
Very good, Serene, yes. What about you, Fatima?
Yes.
Okay, yes, you can tell us your answers.
Which months in spring? From May to August.
Okay, yes, what about autumn?
In autumn, from
Yes, can you guess? Just I need your guess. I don't need the right answer, so just guess. So the seasons. So about the seasons. So we're talking about autumn. In which month? The autumn. Okay, in which month?
From April to June.
Yes, very good. Okay, what about winter?
From September to December.
Okay, so what's the weather like in spring? So we have it's windy here. What about summer, autumn, and winter?
In spring, it's a little sunny, and in summer, it's very hot. In autumn, it's a little cool and windy. In winter, it's cold.
Very good. Oh, what do you
Rain.
see? What do you see in spring, summer, autumn, and also winter?
In spring, I see flowers and some grass. In
Yes.
summer, I see the sun.
Yes, very good. What about autumn?
In autumn, I see the leaves are starting to change their color.
Very good. Yes. What about
In
winter?
winter, I see rain and some snow.
Very good. Yes, very good. Okay. What about you, Yaqeen?
On spring, it's from March to it's from March to May. In summer, it's from January to August. From autumn, it's from September to August. From winter, in winter, it's from November to February.
Yes.
Good number 2.
Yes. What's the weather like? In spring we have it's windy, and what about summer here?
It's hot.
Okay. What about
Okay.
autumn? What about autumn?
It's cold.
Okay. What about winter?
It's cold.
Very good. What do you see?
I can see on spring flowers and birds.
Okay, you see flowers and birds. Very good. So what about summer here?
Summer, I can see sun and insects. Oh, in
Yes, in autumn.
autumn, I can see leaves. In winter, I can see rain and snow.
Very good. Very good. So as I said that in the first one here, which months? So you have to write them correctly. But what is the weather like? So you have to write different answers. For example, I live in a place that is windy in spring, but you may live in a different place, for example, that is not windy. So maybe cool or anyway. Okay, so here, what is the weather like? So you can write different answers. What do you see? Also, you can write different answers as you want. For example, in spring, I see flowers and grass, as Fatima said. In summer, for example, you can go to the beach and see the beach, and also you can say, like Celine said, that we can see the sun. And in autumn, you can see the leaves of the trees are falling down. And also in winter, for example, you can see rain, and also you can see snow and things like that. And also you can see wet places in the winter. Okay, but the first one is the most important. Okay, so here, so which month? So we say from March to May, in summer from June to August, and in autumn from September to November, and in winter from December to February. Okay, so these are the right answers here in Libya. What is the weather like? So it is windy in spring, and in summer it's hot and dry. In autumn it can be different, so I wrote here it's windy. Okay, and in winter it is cold, and it's also very cold in the winter. What do you see? We can see flowers and grass. We can see the beach in the summer and also the sun. And in autumn, we can see the trees without leaves. And also in the winter, we can see wet places, rain, and also sometimes snow. Now we'll move to the second question. So this will be your homework. Okay, this will be your homework. So spring is in. So you will write, yes, in spring, in which months here? So the weather is, for example, you can write hot and dry.
Should I make a screenshot?
Yes, sure you can. So in the summer, you can write hot and dry. So in spring, we say that it is windy. So you can write windy. If you want to talk about the summer here, you will write it is, you will tell us the months. And what about the weather? It is windy, it is cold, it is hot or dry, and so on. And you will talk about autumn here, and also you will talk about winter here. So this will be your homework. Fatima, Serene, and Yaqeen, can you do it? Can you do it
Yes, I
as a
can.
homework? Yes.
I did
yes.
do it a screenshot.
Yes. What about you, Serene? Hello, Serene.
Yes, I can do it.
Yes, you can do it. What about you, Yaqeen?
Yes, I can.
Yes, very good. So I'm waiting to see your homework next Sunday. So thank you so much for attending the class, and see you next lecture or next class. It will be on Sunday. Thank you so much. Goodbye.
Thank you.
Thank you, Fatima.
See you in
Bye-bye.
the 8th class.
Yes, see you.
Bye.
Serene. Yes, see you, Serene.
See
Fatima,
you.
Yaqeen. Bye-bye.
Bye.